This is a coil processing solution we provided for a client in Mexico. The decoiler keeps the coil stable during uncoiling and is equipped with a photoelectric sensing system for process monitoring and control. The straightener releases internal stress and improves flatness through a multi-roll structure. It is also equipped with a similar photoelectric sensing system for material monitoring and process control. The servo feeder works with the system to ensure stable and continuous feeding for a steady process. The system integrates uncoiling, leveling, and feeding into a continuous process, making the overall processing smoother and more stable.